conclude that 4 years after the firm commitment of the government of Iran to bring their legislation and practice in line with Convention 111 on discrimination in employment and occupation, nothing has changed. The information provided by the ambassador of Iran, together with the fact that most of the requested information could have been given in writing earlier, this information has not convinced us otherwise. The workers trusted the government in its intentions to change legislation that is obviously in violation of Convention 111, and we are very disappointed that no improvement in the implementation in law or practice of this convention so far has taken place. Access of women and members of religious and ethnic minorities to the labor market in Iran, as far as we know, has not improved, and their position remains very poor. Independent trade unions cannot function. We, of course, have noted the information given by the ambassador of Iran that a revision of Chapter 6 of the labor law is foreseen to guarantee full trade union freedoms. Of course, we would welcome such a revision, and we hope that it will take place. But for now, for this discussion today, we can only take it as the next promise. And we are concerned that we will find ourselves in this committee in 4 years and be informed that the draft is still before the cabinet, while the leaders of the trade union are in prison. Religious and ethnic minorities face discrimination, and those who defend their rights risk being seriously victimized. The 55-page report that the government has made available long after the deadline for submitting such reports has passed does not alter the view of the workers that the government has not been fulfilling its reporting obligations over the past 4 years. The government has shown disrespect for the supervisory mechanism of the ILO and for this committee. We regret that. The workers understand that the government of Iran would be willing to accept technical assistance in amending the legislation and in other issues related to the implementation of Convention 111. Unfortunately, however, under the current circumstances of restrictions in the functioning of trade unions and in absence of a social dialogue, the workers find that such assistance is not possible and could not be effective. The workers have understood that the government of Iran is prepared to accept a tripartite ILO mission to their country and request that the issues regarding the implementation of Convention 111 then be included in the terms of reference of this mission. The workers hope that this mission can take place within a time frame that would allow for the report of the mission to be discussed at the next conference. The workers request that this case be mentioned in a special paragraph of the committee's report. Thank you.